Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I will be telling you how to prepare super mixture fertilizer for hibiscus. These are the hibiscus you can see, and if you want lots of flower from these plants, you have to apply some super mixture fertilizer. I have collected this recipe from Mr. Neil Rai. I have requested him several times. He is the expert of hibiscus flowering, and I have taken the recipe from here. You can see the birds are here, hundreds of birds. If you want, you have to buy some Pune variety. They are growing the flowering missing Pune variety, and I am telling you what ingredients you have to do and what ingredients you have to apply here as a super mixture fertilizer for getting the lots of flower. And here are the list, and I have the list from the hundreds of pots, but I have only a few pots. So I will be showing you. If you have some only few pots, I will be telling you how much things, which ingredient you have to take. This is the list from Mr. Neil Rai. He is the expert in hibiscus in Kolkata. So I have he has divulged this nursery secret of hibiscus in hundreds of flowers from hibiscus. Around the year you can get flowers from here. Now which things you have to take, I'll tell you. Just take a pen and paper, just note down all the recipes and the amount. First thing, you will take leather meal 50 gram. If you want to apply leather meal, you can apply 50 gram, or instead you can use the groundnut cake instead. Many people do not like leather meal, so you have to apply groundnut cake. Second thing, I will apply neem cake. Neem cake powder for 50 gram. They contain lots of antifungal property and some micronutrients together. So they are also very helpful. 50 gram I will be taking neem cake powder. They are easily available in the nurseries. So I will be taking 50 gram. And in that I will be giving mustard cake powder 20 gram. They contains lots of sulfur, phosphorus, and some nitrogen and lots of micronutrients also. So 20 gram of this mustard cake, each teaspoon around 5 gram. So I'll be taking 4 teaspoonful. And now I'll be applying potash. This is the murate of potash, or if you have sulfate of potash, around take 50 gram. They love lots of potash. These hibiscus plants like the potash. So I am applying 50 gram of murate of potash, or if you have sulfate of potash, you can add. Now I apply bone meal. Bone meal have two kinds. If you want, you can add a crushed bone meal, or this is the steamed bone meal. So I will be applying 20 gram of steamed bone meal. It is better to use the steamed bone meal. It works better. And 4 teaspoons added the steamed bone meal. Now adding Epsom salt. This is the magnesium sulfate. They contain lots of magnesium as well as sulfate. The flower hibiscus plant love sulfate. So they are applying some 10 gram of Epsom salt, and here some chelated zinc micronutrient mixture or chelated zinc. I'll be taking 5 gram. If you have micronutrient mixture, maybe zinc or boron, molybdenum, iron, copper, lots of things mixture, or if you have only the chelated zinc, they work nicely. I'll be taking 5 gram. And if you don't have anything lacking, you don't have to bother it. You can go for without that also. So I have taken 5 gram of zinc, and now I am applying water. Just moist it properly. Don't make it soggy. So you have to apply water very judiciously, just to make it soggy, just to make it react each other component. And after 5 days, keep it under semi-shade area, and after 5 days, when the water is soaked and water is dried up, then again sprinkle water here, and turn it properly in every 5 days. In 15 days time they will be prepared. So in 15 days time you have to turn it for 3 to 4 times, and you have to sprinkle water time to time when the heat is gone. So yeah, the material is ready, mixture is ready. After 15 days they will be ready for application in the plants. And if you are growing these plants, you can grow the plant hibiscus plant, report the plant with 70% garden soil and 30% compost. And after 1 month you can apply this mixture fertilizer. So this is the now ready. Now I am keeping it in semi-shade area for around a couple of days, around 15 days, and after 15 days I will be showing the result here. Now I am showing you another. I have prepared it 15 days back. This is already dried and prepared 15 days back. They have to dry it more, some in under sunlight under, and I will store it in a container, and I will be using for around the year. You can use. And if the container, the plants in grown in a container with 8-inch pot, you can apply 1 teaspoonful around only once in 15 days. Apply once in 15 days, and whenever this is the 10-inch pot or 12-inch pot, you may apply 2 teaspoonful around 10 gram of this mixture once in 15 days. And when you apply this fertilizer, just sprinkle water on that, and the plants will be beautiful, and you don't need to any other fertilizer. This will be sufficient for growing fertilizer and fruits. And here are the some plants. You can see lots of birds are here, and if you apply this fertilizer round the year, you can see the birds. If the plant is good variety, maybe in winter month it is a Pune variety, that would be nice for winter months, or in summer variety, Desi variety also you can grow, and that would be nice, and hundreds of flowers you can get. And if you don't find this ingredients, instead in place of all this, you can use this rose food. This is easily available in these nurseries or online from Amazon or Flipkart. They will also do. You can use this rose food in hibiscus also. They have also the lots of ingredients for best flowering. And here I am tearing out the packet and taking out, and just apply. If the plant is grown in 8-inch container, you can apply 1 teaspoonful, or it is a 10 or 12-inch pot, you can apply 2 teaspoonful. And if you want, you can mix with little bit of potash, maybe muriate of potash or sulfate of potash along with it. Around half teaspoon will be enough for there, and maybe in 15 days. So this is the system of applying this all this rose food, and you don't have to apply any kind of fertilizer here, and they will take everything. And if you want to apply some spray some fertilizer mix, in that case NPK 17:5:24, or 16:8:24, or 17:10:27. You can see this is the 17:10:27. That is a moderate amount of nitrogen, low amount of phosphate, and high amount of potash. The plant likes this high amount of potash and moderate amount of nitrogen, and not the phosphate. So this is the ideal for just mix around 2 to 3 gram of this mixture around in 1 liter of water, and spray it once in 15 days in the plants. And you can apply in the soil also. They will take care of everything, and you don't find this mixture, you can apply this foliar spray of this mixture NPK. And if there is no flower at all, you can apply Miraculon. This is the tricontanol, and this is the compound I say. This is the Miracle 1 ml per liter. This is the, and another brand is Charisma, that is also do for beautiful flowering. And there are another product, this tricontanol 0.05% compound. Here is the Libinol. You can apply this one also. They are also very nice for flowering. So this is the all for growing and heavy flowering in this hibiscus. You can apply this one super mixture fertilizer. This is the special from the nurseries. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to give you a lot about the gardening tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you.